Well, here you go, and take that in. So what we have here is 2045 North Gratz, and quite honestly, this house is deceiving in a good way. So there it is right there. We're just gonna fly up with the drone, and this is a 2-unit. So the ground floor unit has 4 bedrooms and 2 baths. And then the top floor unit actually has 5 bedrooms and even more additional space upstairs for a living room or a small office. It is massive. And you can see by this map, not far from Temple, very, very close, not far from Drexel and the art museum. So a lot of things very close by. That church is astounding. It's just beautiful as far as the architecture. And here you go. So another thing too, I believe we'll see in a few of these shots, and we caught it right there in the bottom left, there are some vacant lots not far away. So also something to be looking for newer construction. And as an investor, this is just my personal opinion, very, very good area. So here we are, just gonna rotate around. You're gonna see the Philly skyline momentarily. And that's it. You're gonna see the green space. You're gonna see everything it has to offer. And take that in while I, again, say a little bit more about the house. So in general, this is one where a straight investor can do very well, in my opinion. Or if somebody wants to live in one unit and then, subsidize their mortgage, this is where, you really can make a difference in this market, and you don't have to, just buy something and more or less break even. I think you have some good upside potential. And again, all my personal opinion, we'll have the numbers, we'll have the disclosure, and you can see for yourself. But there it is right there in the middle with that black roof. Probably the nicest roof around, at least in that block, and again, in my opinion. So here we are. We're gonna bring you right to the front door, just flying in. And then after that, we're going to do the boots on the ground tour, get you inside and have a look. So here we go.
All right, here is a coming soon at 2045 North Gratz in Philly. Really nice side street. Just gonna show you a little bit of it. See that church right down there at the end. So we'll spin around and we'll take you up. So there's 2 units here. And quite frankly, I was blown away by the size. There is a lot of space here. And quite frankly, that is an understatement. So up we go. We'll go in the first floor unit right away. That's here on our left. And then up there will be unit 2. So just for you're fully aware, looks like there's a panel here too. We'll check it out. And, all right, in we go. So right here is the living room, kitchen combination. So hardwood floors throughout, high ceilings, which is nice. And there you are. And we'll stay on this level and then we'll venture down to the basement. So closet right here to the left, just so you see, pretty deep too. And then we'll poke in here and see the bathroom. There you are. You can just wave. Bedroom number 1. I love it. Here is bedroom number 2. Hey, I'm gonna be quick. And here's the backyard. So check this out. Private little nook here. You can see that space great. We'll spin around. The pup still likes us. All right, we'll head down here. So remember, we saw 2 bedrooms already. And now going down here, as soon as you step down to the landing, there's a good sized closet right there. I think, is that the fire suppression? Yes. So everything for fire, for sprinklers. So this is a bedroom number 3. You can see they're not really using this, which is fine. So good basement though, and you do have egress right there. And full disclosure, there's a closet here. So I want to leave no nook unturned, and that is deep. Definitely a deep closet. So there's your windows, ground level. We'll spin you out of here. We'll show you this hallway. So the hallway has the HVAC and the hot water heater. Again, definitely newer, but we'll get you to disclosure. There you are. Stackable laundry here. Another full bath right here, as you can see. And then this is bedroom number 4. So I'll spin you around. Good closet space. You have the ability to walk out there. And there you go. So 4 bedrooms. Got the 2 full baths, which is great. And just a lot of space. It's deceiving when you look on the outside how big these units are. So now we're gonna head upstairs. I don't believe they had a chance to thoroughly clean, but just giving you, the space and the dimensions so you can piece it together. One more time in unit 1. Here you are. And now we're gonna head up, and you can see unit number 2. So up we go. You're in a little space here. Hello, hello. Hello? Coming in. All right, so similar setup. Basically your living room, kitchen combination. Here we have a full bath right here, which is nice with a stand-up shower. Also hardwood floors throughout. Your own panel in here. And bedroom 1. And bedroom 2. With the window there. Good space. So 2 bedrooms so far, 1 full bath. I'll take you upstairs because, quite honestly, upstairs is massive. So let's spin you around. Get a look at this downstairs. See the layout? Up we go. So we already saw 2 bedrooms. I'm just going to take you all the way down to show you. So this is bedroom 3. Just being used more or less as a closet right now. But that is a 3rd bedroom, plenty of space for a bed. Bedroom 3, spin you around slowly, taking the hallway. Bedroom number 4, again, and full bath. All pretty similar here. Nice little nook here if you wanted an office. I mean, I guess if you really wanted to, you could partition something there. Check what you're able to do. But great space for an office or almost a mini upstairs living room. So stackable laundry there. You do have a window right there. I'll show you where it's looking down so you can see. And then this is the 5th bedroom. So take this in. Good sized bedroom here. All the way there. Good closet. I'll just walk in and spin around just so you see. There you are. Peep over there. See the windows. Definitely newer windows. And you see the view. So we'll see that with the drone footage as well. And here's going to be your heater in this unit. Open it up. There's your heater. Again, all this is fairly new. And the hot water heater, or I should just say water heater, is located right there. So that's a newer Ream unit. And there you go. So we're going to bring you down. And that completes essentially the whole tour. So I just want you to see it from every possible angle. There we are. Again, 5 bedrooms in this one, so that's impressive. 4 bedrooms there, which is awesome. So we'll take you down. Ah, we got the little pup. I'll just bring you back out on the street and show you. There we are. There you go. So I'll leave you for now.